Hello students, coming to Java programming. Up to now, we discussed about packages, particularly user-defined packages in Java, then how to define those packages, how to find those packages, how to import those packages with respect to the user-defined. And now in this video, we are going to see and discuss about the built-in packages available in Java SC8 version, standard edition. And these are the topics to be covered in this video, particularly about packages in Java SC8. First one, packages in Java. What are the built-in packages available in this Java SC8 version? And Java.lang package and its classes. And it is one of the class, okay? Package, one of the package. And in this package, we have many type of classes. And among them, and class object is one of the class. And enumeration is also enum. And we'll discuss these topics in this video. As we know that packages are two types. And built-in packages generally available in packages like Java.lang package like that. And this is the basic concept developed in Java to keep all our classes and interfaces into packages. And in addition to these built-in packages, Java also allowed to define user packages that are also imported by the other user classes by importing those user-defined packages. And now, in this video, we are going to concentrate on built-in packages available in Java package. So this is the source for all the packages, sub-packages available in Java. And one of the important is lang, language, supported classes, interfaces, and everything, and util package, and AWT package. These are the main type of packages, sub-packages of Java main package. And we will import some of the important classes that are going to design in the solution of the problems, and we'll discuss those things in our example programs. And the first one is, what are the types of packages are available in Java? Coming to here, this data is collected from this docs.oracle.com. There it provides everything about these packages, features, classes, everything. And some of the important packages collected here and listed for you. Java.applet is one of the package helpful in designing of applets for graphical user interface type of program. And AWT packages, Beans, IO package, Lang package, Mac package, .NET package, here Java.net, and Java.nio, RMI, security, SQL, text time, util, and these are started for Java extension, Java X accessibility, Java X activation, like that. There are many built-in packages available in this Java SE8. We will see the document from the website. Yeah, this is the website where it is an official site of this directly about giving the features overview of this standard edition 8 of Java platform. And here it is, these are the packages given. These are the packages and all class profiles available. And all these are the packages available and classes of packages, subs of packages also, right? All these are the packages. And these are the all classes available in this Java Standard 8 edition. All these are the built-in classes. And also all these classes are the main includes the above packages, right? There are many classes defined. Each and every class is having its own type of responsibility of designing some functionalities or methods that all the users can use by importing these packages and classes as they wish, right? All these are the built-in classes. Every class, and when you click on the class and package, there will be complete information about this one in this website, right? And coming to here, these are the packages and given with description. Java.applet is one of the package, and it provides the classes as necessary to create an applet. And the classes an applet uses to communicate with applet context. We have this applet concepts in our curriculum. We are going to discuss this one in short. AWT. So here it is also providing some type of classes and mainly for creating user interface type of applications, right? And AWT, yes, Java.io. So this provides system input output through data streams, serialization, and the file systems. And lang, Java.lang package. It provides classes that are fundamental to design of Java programming languages. And we know that this is the default package includes into every Java program. Generally, no need of importing these languages. So automatically, it includes this package automatically. And there are many sub packages available in this language. Java.map. It provides some arithmetic supported, right, classes and functionalities, right? Java.net. This is for network applications, right? Everything. There are very different. RMI, remote method invocation package supported applications. It is also very, very important in most of the times online games. Security for security frameworks for network applications usually. And SQL, Java.SQL provides application program interface for accessing and processing data stored in data sources like, right, databases. And it is nothing but database. Java is collaborating with this databases. Time, Java.time. The main API for dates, time, instance, and durations. This is also a part of our curriculum, specifically in this unit. In the upcoming videos, we're going to see this one. And main util package. This is already, we had some information about this util package, specifically scanner class, and use it to give some user input from keyboard. Util, there are many sub packages there. Annotation here, crypto, for cryptographic means encryption, decryption type of processing. Image IO applications, application programming, image related packages and classes supports many JWS. So many there, right? Then coming to see one by one, and that first one going to see Java.language. Let's see this one. Package Java.lang, and these are the list of interfaces, classes and interfaces right now. So these are the list of interfaces includes in this Java.language package. And among these, we clone is important and runnable. Runnable interface is important, and we use this runnable interface in the threads concept and we in the unit of thread structure, right? And these are the different classes available in this package, Java.language. Boolean, byte. Byte is not a simply a type, data type, primitive data type, but it acts as a class which wraps a value of primitive type byte in an object. Everything is organizing in a form of class. That is the magic of Java, and that's why it's creating wonders in creating solutions to the programs, like the problems, using Java language. Right? Compiler is a class provides to support Java to native core compilers and related services. There are many, right? Like this and the math. Math contains methods for performing basic arithmetic operations, such as this is a class. This is class of this package Java.language. As a developer from the computer Java language program, so you should be aware of all these type of packages available in Java. Version to version, it's a lifelong learning concept. Particularly this point of view, from the package point of view, you should aware of what additional classes or functionalities or features added to Java version by version. Lifelong, you have to remember these things, right? Next one. Okay, go to the next one. Second one is Java.lang package and its classes. We're going to see this one. And here we know that this is automatically imported into all programs, right? And this is a package contains of different classes and interfaces as just I shown to you. It contains classes and interfaces that are fundamentally to virtually all of Java programming. And those classes and interfaces are automatically imported into your program by creating instance, or you can directly access those methods to act on your code or data, right? And it is Java's most widely used package, most widely used in all the programs automatically. Most of the times unknowingly you can use the service of these package classes and methods defined in those classes. And it includes the following classes as I listed you in the website from the document of Oracle. And all these are different classes available. Every class has its own type of methods and some, right? Here is math I shown you, byte, boolean, and coming to the interfaces here. Java.lang defines the following interfaces, and I talk about this runnable in upcoming chapters: iteratable, clonable, right? All these are exception handler, red dot, uncaught exception handler. So these are the different classes will take care of such a type of rules of these classes having to support in the design of programs using Java. This is one simple sample program to understand about one class and method of something this Java.lang package. So here it is. I'm creating one user-defined package. In parallel, you can understand this. And once again, reminding you the concept called package, user-defined. And I'm keeping this class file into my user-defined package called pack. Here I'm importing java.lang.start. And then I have a program for working with this byte class. You know that byte is a one of the class in this java.language package. So that's why I'm going to design one demo of this byte class. And this is the main class. That's why I have defined main method here. And I just gone to define two byte variables b1 and b2 and string s1, s2. And this is the program collected from e-resource to make you understandable easily. And b1 and b2 are the two variables. And these are the references. And I'm creating memory for this byte using this new operator. Why? Because byte is nothing but a class. Now it is a class, and I'm passing a value to initialize this byte one reference variable, or nothing but an object. Here it may be it refers b1 is refers to the object of this byte, posts this value 1, 2, 3, and the same way like this. And I'm taking string reference here, and I'm using here function is toString. ToString, right? Means here this one is converted into that string. Now b1 is holding the value called 1, 2, 3. That is string, right? So that can be converted to numerical values, right? So string 1, string value of bytes b1 is s1. So it holds that string value. String value of this value will be given to this byte variable, right? The same way here you need to understand the concept is not printing of this value or everything. Yes, you just go through the values, right? Not values here. This byte class, how it can be used by importing this java.language package, and how to use this function to make convert of these values. Go to the execution part of the same program. So first you go to this program code, and here it is the same code I have taken here, and go to the command prompt. And I already told you that these packages, these programs are listed into stored in a package. So coming to this one, what is the path to my package? E directory, Java, and pack. So in this computer E directory and pack folder, and these three programs are stored. And I'm going to execute this byte demo. Then coming to his command prompt here, and to compile that program, we need to go to the package now. So how to change directory. What is the package name? Pack. As we switch it to that package and then compile that program, that will be byte demo dot java. If it is compiled, but I told you in the previous videos, whatever the main class contains the package statement as the first statement, and those classes or those program files should be executed before the directory of this package. That it means to the previous package. And it is when you are trying to execute this one, java space byte demo.java, you will get an error, right? Could not find or load main class byte.java, because whenever the main class contains the first statement as a package statement, that should be executed through package name only before the previous directory. Just out of this directory pack, output one cd dot dot. Now we are in my current directory. Now you can execute that file using this command java space. What is the package name? That file dot class file contains pack dot, what is the class name? Dot class name byte demo. This is the way you can execute. You can execute the package contained programs, right? As it is the output of the program. Got it? Then come to here. Next one is class object. The class object is a base class for all the classes defined in the Java programs. So coming to here, object is a superclass of all other classes defined in our Java programs. Object defines the methods shown in given table, which are available to every object. So as this object is a base and superclass for all the classes defined in Java, so that object class defines many methods which are available to every object. Every object, any object defined in your programs as an instance of existing design classes in your programs, they can allow to access the methods defined in this object class, right? Directly. All these methods are available to every object in your programs. So clone is one of the method defined there that throws an error clone not supported exception that creates a new object that is same as in the invoking object. That creates a new object that is the same as the invoking object. To which object you can call this method, it creates the same type of object in return, right? And equals method, it returns true if invoking object is equivalent to the object, right? Finalize method, it throws an exception, throws probable used in type of exceptions there. We generate exceptions using this finalize method. If it is before unused object is recycled, so it automatically generates some errors. And these are also some of the, here also we toString is a method defined in this object class. So it returns a string that describes the object, right? So many there, many methods there, and we can use happily with our generally newly created classes in our programs. So to understand this class object, just have a simple example. And same first statement package pack import java.language.start. So to understand about this class object, so class demo is my main class name. Inside of this main method, I'm creating one object called C1 of my class demo class. Right? This is simple object creation for my class demo. And here, this one is class. This is class object. So I'm taking as C1 class is an object name and C1 dot get class. Get class is a function method defined in this class object that returns the name of the class. So this get class method returns what this class means, what the class it contains. So it returns that class name. Okay. And also returns in which package it is. Well, because it class belongs to package. So now I have taken one string variable to take that return value, right? So here that get name. So here it is get class and get name, and both the functions use it to return that name with package. So this is the output here. Just go for the implementation part, this one. So this is the file. I have stored this file with class name, class demo. Go to command prompt. As it is. As usual, go to the package for executing, compiling that one. So what is the class name? Class demo, right? Class demo. So compiled, then come out of this package folder and execute here. Yeah, Java space pack dot class. That's it, returns the same pack dot class. Understood? So there are many examples there. For your better understanding, I have collected this simple examples from the e-resources. Next one. Enumeration. And this word is generally we are taken from many type of concepts in languages and in data structures also. An enumeration is a list of named constants. Enumeration is a list of named constants, and you can create a list of some constant values. That it means enumeration. It is created by using the keyword called enum. Enum is a keyword that is used to create a list of some named constants, right? And all enumerations automatically inherit this enum class. Enum class. So enum is a generic class, not a normal class. It is generic class and having some generic template type. Right. That is declared as shown here. Class keyword followed by enum, angular brackets, capital E extends enum. So E is one class extending this enum enumeration class available in Java.lang package. And it has some generic data here, right? Of type class. Here E stands for the enumeration type. Enum has no public constructors, no public constructor. Generally constructors we define as constructors most of the times when we store classes in packages, and even sometimes classes also we declare as public. Enum defines several methods that are available for use by all enumerations which are shown in table. So these are the some methods defined inside in this enumeration class of Java.lang package. And here using these different methods. Here also if you observe this toString class, every class generally makes use of this method for returns the name of the invoking constant, right? Right? And here also clone object. And coming to this example point of view here, Java.lang enum to string. Again, we are taking example to understand this function, how it can be invoked for using from this package. This method returns the name of this enum constants as contained in the declaration. Right? Here it is a declaration of this method. How we're going to see here. In this program, the first statement is package pack. That it means this class or file belongs to this package. Import the java.language package into my class. And I have created one enumeration. Enum is a keyword. And now language is a enumeration. And here it is having named constants, 3 named constants. The first one is C, second one Java, and third one is PHP. And in my main class, inside of this main method, the class name is enum demo. The file stored as enum demo.java. And inside of this main method, I'm just using this toString. So how to get this toString? You should always call this one using enumeration name dot. What is the constant we are taking? That first constant C. Enumeration name, that is language dot C dot toString. Then it returns the first constant value of this enumeration, right? In the same way here also the 3 constants, use it to call this method toString. So this is the output. Coming to the execution part of this one. Yes, this is the code taken here. And go to the execution part. So command prompt. So go to as usual to pack folder. And there compile that one JavaC. What is the class name? Enum demo dot Java. If it is successfully compiled, come out of this pack and try to execute from here. Java space. What is the package name that it contains? Pack dot. What is the class name? Enum demo. That it extracted every named constant from the enumeration and displaying like this. Understood? So these are the different simple examples we taken for you to discuss about these concepts. And these are the references and key resources collected specifically the examples from this tutorials on top.